Hey everyone, if you're all about privacy and luxury, you're probably wondering which app keeps your chat safe and stylish, Telegram or Signal? Let's break it down. First, Telegram. It's like a private social club with tons of features. You can have massive group chats, up to 200,000 people, perfect for exclusive events or elite communities. It syncs across all your devices and you can share huge files up to 2 gigabytes. Telegram offers secret chats with end-to-end encryption, but regular chats aren't fully private. They're stored on Telegram's servers. You can also use usernames to hide your phone number, adding a layer of anonymity. Now, Signal is like a digital vault for your messages. Every chat, call, and group message is locked with end-to-end encryption by default. That means only you and the person you're talking to can see your messages. No one else, not even Signal. It's simple, clean, and built by non-profit, so no ads or data selling. You can set messages to disappear and it collects almost no info, just your phone number. Perfect for keeping things ultra private. So how do they compare? For the rich and private. If privacy is your top priority, like for sensitive business deals or personal secrets, Signal wins. Its full encryption and minimal data collection make it the gold standard for security. But if you want flexibility, like managing huge groups or sharing big files for your luxury brand or yacht club, Telegram's your go-to. It's more social and versatile, but you'll need to use secret chats for top privacy. The verdict? Signal for bulletproof privacy, Telegram for fancy features and big groups. Choose what fits your vibe. Stay secure and see you next time. Like and subscribe for more videos.